Good morning, YouTubers. This is the old man doing stuff here in Birmingham, Alabama. I'm working here in town today, and for the rest of the week actually driving a tour bus. And when I'm on the road, staying in hotels, especially this kind of trip, this is a 5-day trip, I've got my MQX quad chopper. I'm going to give more details on this later for everyone that's interested in remote control flight. This is an older model. I'll give some of the history on it in another video. And I'm still working on getting me some stands and a GoPro head cam. So don't have a hands-free yet. But basically, for those of you who do not know about what these are, they're very popular now. And they have racing quad choppers. And then they have the Beyond Visual, where you can send it off where you can't see it, and you have eyewear that will allow you to see it. This is one of the originals. Back in the day, I got this off of eBay. I have 3 of them. It's remote controlled with its own remote control, manufactured by Blade. See if I can get a good shot of that. Blade. You have your throttle. You have your left and right, up and down. Very fun little RV that you can have in your room. Just won't tear anything up in the room. That back motor there is working fine. The way the sensors all lock in, it just depends on what you're trying to do at the moment. I need to trim it out. Thought I would share a little bit. Hopefully we have some YouTubers out there that enjoy these little quad choppers. It's the old man doing stuff. Y'all have a good day.